Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
I'm his translator. Any questions?
Hello, everybody.
Congratulations. Here, wonderful movie. I would like to know how important is it for you to be awarded, with your first American award, and that, and then I'll ask you another question.
خیلی باعث خوشحالی منه چون این اتفاقات از دو جهت برای من مهمه. چیزی شبیه این اتفاقی که امشب افتاد.
It's very important to me. I'm very happy. It's very important for me for two particular reasons.
اول به خاطر اینکه این جایزه‌ای که منتقدها میدن و ما میدونیم که منتقدها آدمای راحتی نیستند. آدمای سختگیری‌اند.
It's an award that was chosen by critics, and critics are not easy people to please. They're very difficult.
و این اتفاق باعث شد که این فیلم تماشاگر بیشتری پیدا کنه توی دنیا.
And these happenings will most likely cause more audiences to be found for this movie in the world.
I would like to ask you another question. There's a tendency for governments to create enemies. I mean, the U.S. government hates Iran, Iran hates the U.S. government, but we as citizens don't have any, I have nothing against people from Iran. So do you think it's all a propaganda machine that, that the Americans are creating and the Iranians as well?
به نظرم مردم با هم هیچ مشکلی ندارند.
Yes, in my opinion, the people of the two countries have no issues with each other.
مردم ایران همونجوری که من گفتم مردم خیلی صلح دوستی هستند.
People of Iran, as I mentioned earlier, are very peace-seeking and peace-loving.
من امیدوارم نه تنها در ایران، در هیچ جای دنیا انسان دیگه جنگ رو نبینه و جنگ بشه یه چیزی که فقط مال گذشته است.
And I hope not just in Iran, but anywhere in the world, no one experiences war, and war becomes something that we just discuss from the past. Any other questions?
Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you.